Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. This video is about some basic concepts of game theory. Game is a competitive situation between one or more opponents. Example, chess, business, politics, etc. In our day-to-day life, wherever conflict situation arises, we are in a position to take decisions. Decision-making situations are different. Decision under certainty, decision under uncertainty, decision under risk. Decision under certainty divided into non-competitive situation and competitive situation. That competitive situation can be divided into pure strategy and mixed strategy. In a pure strategy case, we find maximum value, minimax value, saddle point and then value of the game. But in a mixed strategy, we use different methods to find the value of the game. Example, algebraic method, arithmetic method, matrix method. A competitor in a game is called player. Strategy is a plan by which a player decides his course of action. This strategy is divided into pure strategy and mixed strategy. Pure strategy, a player uses one particular strategy throughout the game. Whereas mixed strategy is a player chooses different strategies at different situations. Payoff matrix, the outcome of different strategies of a game presented in the form of matrix. The outcome may be gain or loss. Maximum principle, a player maximizes his minimum guaranteed gain. Minimax principle, player B minimizes maximum loss. Player A is a maximum player, player B is a minimax player. Optimum strategy. The word optimum means either maximum or minimum. Here we maximize the gain of the player or minimize the loss of the player. Saddle point. The position of the payoff matrix corresponding to the optimum strategies. That is, if the maximum value is equal to minimax value, then the corresponding coincident point, we call it as a saddle point. Two-person zero-sum game. The algebraic sum of gain and loss of two players is equal to 0. That is, if one player's loss will be equal to other player's gain. Value of the game. It is the expected outcome of the game. It is denoted by the symbol V. Game with saddle point. Pure strategy. Pure strategy means a player uses one particular strategy throughout the game. Let me explain pure strategy with an example. Two companies A and B are competing for the same product. Their different strategies are given below. Determine the optimum strategies for both the companies. Here the two companies are competing for their products. Their different strategies are mentioned here. We have to find the optimum strategies for both the companies. A's gain is equal to B's loss. A is a gain player and B is a loss player. If company A use second strategy, their gain is 4 units. The same 4 unit is loss for the company B if they use the second strategy. Similarly, company A use third strategy, their gain is 7. And for B, it is a loss. So, A is a gain player and B is a loss player. If you have a negative value, say for example, here you have negative value, -1 means that -1 is the loss for company A if they use second strategy. That -1 is gain for company B if they use fourth strategy. For finding optimum strategy, first you have to select the minimum value from each row. The first row minimum value is 1. The second row minimum value is 1 again. In the third row minimum value is 5. In the fourth row minimum value is 0. Next we have to select the maximum value from each column. The first column maximum value is 6. The second column maximum value is 5. The third column maximum value is 7. The fourth column maximum value is 7. In the fifth column maximum value is 6. From the row minimum you have to select the maximum value. Here the maximum value is 5. This we call it as maximum value. From the column maximum, you have to select the minimum value. Here the minimum value is 5. This we call it as minimax value. After that, you have to check maximum value and minimax value is equal or not. Here, both the values are equal. So, saddle point exists. Here maximum value and minimax value is 5. The corresponding position is A3, B2. Saddle point is nothing but position of the payoff matrix corresponding to the optimum strategies. Saddle point is A3, B2. This represents company A must select second strategy to maximize its minimum guaranteed gain. And company B must select second strategy to minimize its maximum loss. Value of the game is 5. This indicates that company A will gain 5 units and company B will lose 5 units. Let me repeat. For finding optimum strategies, first you have to find row minimum, then column maximum. Then you find the maximum from the row minimum and minimum from column maximum. If both the values are equal means we can say that saddle point exists. If saddle point exists means we can say that the game is determinable. Here the saddle point is A3, B2. After finding the saddle point, you have to write the value of the game. This method is very simple and easy to understand. Thank you for watching.